I am here at the RAR automation stand with Andrew, who's going to tell us a bit more about the company and what exactly it is that you specialise in. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Joe. Thank you. RAR UK Automation, we're specialist distributors for a range of automation solutions. We particularly specialise in cobots from Universal Robots and associated tooling. In this one, we're showing robotic grippers, force sensor and vision. So it's assembling this pump assembly. Then on the right-hand side here, if we can get a chance to go across to have a look. It's just looking at the products at the moment, but it's running earlier. We're doing 3D picking. So it's another vision application where we're picking products out of a box. If we move across to the industrial mobile industrial robot, you can see.
So this is called MIR, did you say?
This is MIR, yes. This is a mobile industrial robot. So it's used often in warehousing type applications where you want to transport products. So this may be used in conjunction with a robot where we place components on a trolley, or we may tow a trolley or place on top, and we're transporting maybe from stores to the production line and back to the stores perhaps. Lots of applications for that.
And you said this one is on a sensor, so if I was to stand in front of it whilst it was in action, it would actually sense me and stop?
That's correct. Also with the Universal Robot, they're designed to work collaboratively with people. And so they've got sensors which will identify if somebody comes in the way, it will stop. And also the MIR also has scanners and sensors to identify people in the way. So if I stand now, it will stop.
Very impressive. And can you tell us a little bit more about this machine over here in the corner?
Okay, this is a more traditional a robot. This is a SCARA robot from Toshiba Machine. And so here we're running it with a flexi-bowl arrangement where components are now presented and they're juggled to make sure they're in the right orientation. And then the SCARA robot will pick and place those products. Advantage of a SCARA is it's very fast, but it's not collaborative, so it needs to be caged because of its speed. So it's all applications.
So who is a key client for you? Do you see what I did there?
Yes, we've got lots of different customers. We have automotive, so all the main brands of car manufacturers will be using us. But then equally, we may be selling to Fred in the shed, who you never heard of, but he equally finds the collaborative robots and other solutions are valuable. It could be food industry, it could be pharmaceutical, automotive, general engineering. It's a real wide range.
Wonderful. And MIR has just made his way back over to us. Could you tell us, have you been here at PPMA show before?
Oh yes, we're PPMA members and BARA members. Myself and a colleague are on the BARA and PPMA boards, so we find PPMA a great show. We've been supporting it for years. I can't remember how many I've done, but it's certainly getting towards 10. A
good number then.
Yeah.
Could you tell us why you would recommend the PPMA show to your colleagues?
We get to meet, some of our customers are also exhibitors. It's a great atmosphere, I think, between all the exhibitors. And it brings in lots of a range of customer range. So as I say, pharmaceutical, we get packaging industry obviously because it's PPMA. But in more recent years, I think with the BARA take up, people are coming also to look at us for general automation. So it may not be packaging industry, but they're just looking for general automation, and they see this show as be the place to come and find the right suppliers.
Well, that sounds good to me. Well, I hope you have a great show and a very busy one at that.
Okay.
And thanks for showing us around your stand today.
Thank you for coming on.
Thanks.
It's great. Thank you.